Hello guys, it's me. I just came out of the Ulta store. Ulta? I can't even talk right now. It's been so long since I've been in a physical store, and when I just came out, I just thought the outside, which is twilight time, looks so beautiful. Take a look at this. I mean, isn't it beautiful out there? And so anyway, this is San Jose. I live in San Jose, and this is like right across the street from where I live. So I could practically walk here if I wanted to, but of course I didn't because I'm lazy like that. But then I came over here and visited Ulta, and I got a bunch of little goodies and so things I want to try. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and share this experience with you. And here is the parking lot, which is like totally crazy. You wouldn't think that we were in a pandemic, but it's dinner time too. So there are people getting dinner and stuff like that. And then the grocery stores are down there. And I just wanted to give you kind of like a shot of, we have a really big Ulta actually. And so, yep, just giving you a shot of the surroundings and, you know, a 1 minute short, okay? So see you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I am hoping that I was able to edit the video that I took coming right out of Ulta, and it was beautiful. I mean, coming out, it's just so beautiful, twilight time, and so I'm hoping it came out because I just want to go ahead and continue from that video. And this is just like an impromptu, you know, I didn't plan it. And so what I did was, like I said, I was at Ulta. And so I wanted to go ahead and share with you because it's been a long time since I've been in there physically, right? And so I was so excited. I was like a kid in a candy shop. The only problem is there were a lot of shelves that were completely empty. And so I don't know, maybe because they have relaxed the actual, you know, the COVID things here in Santa Clara County. And we're one of the strictest counties and the state of California. So, you know, I think they've relaxed it a little bit. So people just went crazy and started shopping. I don't know. But yeah, it was pretty much empty. But I did actually get a couple of interesting things that, you know, you're not used to me getting because I did discover a little, I don't want to say a loophole because that's wrong, but I did discover, I think I told you guys, you know, us Muslims, when we pray, we have to make sure that we can really purify ourselves with water and things like that. But I was watching a video by a scholar, and you know, he had actually broken it down, those rules, a little bit more, and given it like a, instead of such a narrow perspective, a little more broad perspective. And so I learned that there potentially that you know, we can paint our nails, right? And that they're just, you know, some misunderstandings, but there's actually controversy around that. And so pretty much I've made a decision that I'm going to go ahead and try it. And the thing is, my sisters out there, I mean, I know there's Muslims watching this. Please, this is not a fatwa because it is illegal for me to give any kind of fatwa, but this is what I am taking from the scholar, and I'm going to go ahead and make a decision for myself. Okay. And fatwa is a ruling on in the laws, right, for us. And only people that can actually talk about that are people that are certified, that are educated to talk on that. So that's not what this is about. So just wanted to go ahead and give you a little bit of white. I bought nail polish. And so, yeah, because I really want to try it. It may not be something I leave on. I may just go ahead and take it off and then, you know, make sure that I can cleanse myself. I don't know until the time comes, okay? So, having said that, I bought this, I know nothing about this stuff, right? So I saw this Infinite Shine Prime and Gloss Pro Stay Dual Pack by OPI. And I know OPI is a really good brand, so I got ahead and bought that. I think this is the primer, and this is the top coat, and you need to buy number 2. And so I bought a few of step 2. This color here, which is really pretty, caught my attention. It's got a lavender color to it, right? So this first color here is called, let's see, Hollywood Vibe. And this is so pretty. Here it is. And then the next color, because of course I couldn't just buy one because this is like a gray color. Okay. And this color is called, let's see, this is called Still Waters. Run Deep. Still Waters Run Deep. So here's that. And I noticed that in the other video when I was showing underneath, it wasn't focusing. So I'm just going to try to read this for you. And here's another one, which is a little bit different. It's not the same. Oh, it almost looks the same, doesn't it? I didn't realize that. One is purple, one is pinkish. And this one is called It's a Girl. And here it is. This step 2. And this is like really similar. It's okay. But one is a shine and one is a matte. And I think this is the last one. God, it looks like I bought all the same shades. I know, right? Okay, and this one here is called Stick It Out. And then the rest of the nail stuff I wanted to get is here. It's called Impress. I believe this is also by OPI, right? Yeah. And then so here is those press-on nails, and I wanted to try this. And I know back when I used to be able to wear them, they weren't very good. But from what I understand from talking to the women, they said they're really good. And I got one in white. And then I'm hoping it works because I bought so many of them. And here's a nice, like a pinky color one. And then I think, oh, is that it? Yep. Nope. One more. Okay. Here it is, and like a little blue, kind of like a periwinkle. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. And it has, directions on how to do it. So that's good. And then I bought a, by Milani. This is a grocery store, no, drugstore brand, Milani. But I really want to try it. This is made in Canada. And this is a liquid blush, and I don't have any liquid blushes, and I noticed that when I try to put on a cream blush on some of my dewy makeup, it picks it up. And so I said, I need something liquid. So this was kind of very inexpensive. I mean, this is a drugstore brand, but it was made, outside of China. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, made in Canada. And while I was there, I wanted to go ahead and try their eyeshadows. So I did pick this one up, and this is also made in Canada. So I'm going to go ahead and try their formula, and this is called Most Wanted. Okay, yep. And this is Most Wanted by Milani. It's called Burning Desire is the name of the palette shade. That's that. And of course something I had a coupon for it because I don't buy it, but I could buy anything from CeraVe. And being that I've tried everything from CeraVe, I hadn't tried this one piece, and I want to try it even though I don't typically buy eye cream, but this is the only thing I've never tried from CeraVe, and I had a coupon for a free CeraVe product. So as part of my frequent flyer club card type of thing. So I got ahead and picked this up to give it a try. So yeah, I kind of figured out, this is Eczema Society approved, and this is MVE delivery technology. So hopefully this works, and I'll give you a report back on it because you know how I love CeraVe. So that's that. I think that's it from Ulta, but it was kind of like a mini haul. So I just want to share with you guys. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to stick these nails on there and tell you how it turns out. After I do that, maybe I'll go ahead and do it for you if I get it right. Okay. And so, yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And this is a real quickie, and I hope you guys are doing well. So I hope you have a good day, good night, good week, good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.